Hey, I'm Mikey from Segway of Ontario, and today I'll be explaining everything you need to know about Segway-Ninebot warranty repairs and what's involved. Let's get started. So let's just say something unexpected happened to your Segway-Ninebot device and you need warranty work done. Here are 5 things you need to do. Step number 1, obtain what's called a case number or RMA number from Segway. A case number or RMA number is basically a special code that allows the authorized repair shop that will perform the warranty work the ability to get the eligible work done for free. Without that RMA number, we won't be able to get the repair done under warranty, and sadly, it would have to be paid out of pocket. To obtain an RMA from Segway, you have 3 options. 1, contact them by phone at these phone numbers on the screen. 2, contact them by email at these email addresses on the screen. Or, the most stress-free way of submitting a warranty request is by searching up Segway Request Repair Service on Google, then click this link right here. You'll be asked to fill in all your information, provide your proof of purchase, when you got your device, where you got it, etc. Then, you're going to show any pictures or videos of the problem that you encountered. Once everything is filled in, click Submit. Just to note, it may take a few business days to obtain an RMA number from Segway-Ninebot, the manufacturer. And also, if I might add, Segway is very peculiar about when you purchase your device. If you're 1 or even 2 days off the eligible warranty period, there's a good chance that your warranty request won't get approved. Step number 2, book an appointment. When booking an appointment, Segway-Ninebot, the manufacturer, will most likely send you to an authorized repair shop near your location to get the warranty work done. For example, if I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I have a Max G2 with a stem repair under warranty, I'll probably be sent to Segway of Ontario. However, if you live outside of the province of Ontario, then you'd be given a different repair center. When you book your appointment, make sure that you bring your RMA number, device, and proof of purchase so that staff at our repair shop can process your warranty work without any issues. And also, in case this wasn't already evident, we strongly recommend booking your appointment ahead of time just to make sure that we have enough stock of the parts that need to be replaced on your device. This would essentially allow you to get your device back right away. Although in some cases, it isn't always easy because accidents can happen on the fly and your scooter might be your only mode of transportation. So yeah, we get that. If you have any of these models on the screen here and need warranty work done at our repair shop, you're in good hands. Step number 3, bring your device, RMA, and proof of purchase to our shop. So yes, even though you may have booked an appointment with our staff in person or over the phone ahead of time, we still need to make sure that you are who you said you are. Once again, bring your scooter, RMA number, and proof of purchase. Step number 4, more verification. Even if you received an RMA number, we as a dealer must verify that your device and any parts that are required are both covered under warranty. Each part and model has a different warranty period. I'll give a couple examples. If I'm looking at the Max G2's warranty period, the handlebars, stem, and hub motor are all covered up to 2 years from the purchasing date. Meanwhile, the Max G2's battery assembly, front fork, and shock absorbers all have a 1-year warranty. And finally, parts like the kickstand and foot mat are covered up to 6 months from the date you purchased your Max G2. In comparison, the Max G30P will have a lower warranty for similar parts because it's an older model. In that case, the hub motor, handlebar, and stem are all covered up to 1 year from the Max G30P's purchase date. Other G30P components like the battery and brake handle are covered up to 180 days. The fender and bell have a 90-day period, while other items that get used a lot more regularly like the foot mat and reflective stickers have a 15-day period. And lastly, water damage or damage from rider accidents or rider errors are not covered. This is why it's always important to read your warranty manuals carefully so that you understand what's covered and what isn't, and you avoid any surprises later on. And lastly, step number 5, servicing. After you have successfully booked your appointment with us, and your scooter is also in our shop, warranty work will be completed as soon as possible. If certain parts are needed or other issues are encountered throughout this process, we'll let you know. We do our best for same-day service, but it's not always possible. In that case, please be prepared to leave your device with us if we need more time or need to order in additional parts. If you have any questions about the warranty process, please give us a call at 416-642-0096 or email our service team at service@segwayofontario.com. For any models we cannot service, please check out the pinned comment. Just for your reference, I'm going to list all the warranty manuals from the scooters that we sell in the description below. I really hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share this video with family and friends, and save this video so you don't lose it. As always, I'm Mikey from Segway of Ontario, and we'll see you on the trails.